If you pass inheritance down to your kids and they go through a divorce, the ex-spouse could take half of the assets that you passed down to your kids. So you've worked your entire life to build up all these assets to pass down to your kids just for their ex-spouse to take it in a divorce settlement. And so you may tell your kids, hey, don't give your kids co-ownership of this property I'm passing you, whatever. You may also tell them to keep a separate bank account. The problem is going to be if they use any marital funds to put money inside of that property or those accounts, even $1, it becomes marital property and subject to being split up in a divorce settlement. So the way that you can get around this is to put the assets inside of a trust. When you pass away, you do not distribute those assets out to your kids in their personal name because of the reasons we just mentioned. You would keep the assets inside the trust. Goodness. And then those assets are fully separated from your kids and they're not accessible to that divorce settlement. You have to make sure that you're using an attorney to set this up because there are nuances here on how you are distributing those assets out to your kids, because they can still garnish distributions. As an example, if you have monthly distributions or quarterly distributions or annual distributions, they can garnish those and take them in the divorce settlement. So you have to set up correctly to have that asset protection. If you want help setting any of this up, click the link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some more of our team.